Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today we are going to be opening the Accio Box. And I haven't opened an Accio Box in like a year. I miss Accio Box so much. They had, or at least had, I'm sure they still have really cool items in here, really cool themes. Just amazing box all around. So I'm happy to open this one. They did send me this one to unbox on my channel, and there is one item in here that I designed. So let's get this thing opened up and see what's inside. So here's the first look. We've got yellow tissue paper for Hufflepuff. And let's see. Okay, so the first thing that we see is a hat that says Herbology Club on it. Black and yellow. I honestly, personally, would have rather it have been like black and yellow rather than yellow with black. But let's see. I never look good in like baseball hats or any kind of hats at all. I'm just not a hat person, I don't think. It's a pretty cool hat, and I will hold on to it just in case I ever do need a hat. All right, and next, ooh, hey, cool. Something, oh, hey, this is made of wood. And it says Captain, and it has like brooms on it, so I'm sure this is like Quidditch Captain badge. And it's a sticker. It's a wooden sticker, and it actually is made of wood. That's really cool. This is all cut out of wood. It smells like wood too. It smells kind of like a campfire in a way. I think this was like burned in. So that's really cool. Let's just take a look. Is this, I don't know if this is a sticker or an iron-on wooden patch or something. I can't tell. I'm not gonna try peeling that off right now because I don't want to ruin it. Let's wait until we get the cheat sheet out. And here's the t-shirt. I have always loved the Accio Box t-shirts. They are wonderful. Very comfortable, always a good fit. Here we go. I'm gonna let you guys see the shirt first. Dueling Club. It's a Dueling Club shirt. This is a pretty cool design. And the fabric is really, feels very comfortable fabric. Yeah, I like this one. I like the moons on it, and yeah, this is a neat shirt. I will definitely wear this one. I like the color too. It's not black, it's like a navy blue. So that's cool. Let's see. I do like black shirts though, not to say I don't like black shirts. And it looks like there is one more item in here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 items, I believe, unless I'm missing something. Let's see, is there anything under? No? Okay, so no cheat sheet. But okay, so I'm sure you can guess by now that this item is my item. It is a professionally printed deck of exploding snap cards. And these were designed by me a couple of years ago. I am not gonna open this one. I'm gonna keep this one sealed and host a giveaway for this. And it also comes with this how to play instruction card. However, I do have my own deck over here on my shelf, which I am gonna show you guys right now. All right, so here is the one that I designed and had printed. I bought this individually. It did cost me like $40 to do that. And yeah, this was back in 2018. So here you go. It looks the same. You can just tell it's a bit older. And there is a sticker that says Exploding Snap on it, which seals the deck. You can rip that, or if you don't want to rip the sticker, you can open it from the bottom. And then the cards are right here. So here's what the cards look like. They each have a different magical symbol on them. These are all like alchemy-like symbols and stuff like that. Yeah, some of them have this symbol on it. And that is the symbol that indicates it exploded. So basically it's a game of Snap, and if you get this one, it blows up on you, basically. And then the backs of the cards look like this. I do have these available to order on makeplayingcards.com. I have like a storefront there with these cards on it. That site is really for like bulk orders. If you order just a single deck, it's like $40. And if you order them in bulk, like Accio Box did, you can get that price down to like 15, maybe ish dollars, somewhere around there. So I do have a GoFundMe set up. I've linked it in the description box. So if anybody wants in on a bulk order, I'm just doing a GoFundMe so that I can hit a certain price point to get these cheaper. And as soon as that is hit, I will order all of these decks and we will ship them out to you guys. I will also create, I don't have a rules guide yet, but I will make one. And this one will actually probably be in the box or maybe folded up separately or something, a little rule sheet for you. So yeah, if you're interested in getting the Exploding Snap cards and you didn't get the Accio Box that I got here, there is a GoFundMe set up specifically for that purpose. So this box was cool. There wasn't very many items in it. I didn't, like I said, they did send me this for an unboxing. So I think it was just sort of like a mini box or something. There was no cheat sheet, so I can't really say who designed these. I'm guessing it was mostly Accio Box in-house for these items, other than this Exploding Snap. So yeah, I would call favorites on this, and I guess I will. The Exploding Snap deck is really cool. You wouldn't expect something like that in a subscription box. However, I designed that, so I'm gonna go with the shirt, and I guess this captain's sticker, I wanna say. So yeah, that is that. Quick unboxing for you guys. And if you want to subscribe to the Accio Box, I've got a link in the description for that. And if you want to see more Accio Box unboxings on my channel, just let me know in the comments. I haven't done them for a while, but I'd really like to get some more Accio Boxes, maybe like full boxes to show you guys what they have to offer you. Let me know what your favorite items were from this box. If you've seen another unboxing, I'm gonna go watch some after I'm done recording this because I wanna see what else actually came in the box. But yeah, just let me know, even if it wasn't in this video, if you know of it being in this box from somebody else's unboxing, just let me know what your favorite items were from this box in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.